Hello again, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artorai.com. I don't know if you've noticed, you probably haven't, but I haven't uploaded a video for a while. I've been feeling a little bit burnt out video wise, and we've had a lot of offline issues, primarily being the poor cat. She's been backwards and forwards to the vets for the past week, and a couple of other issues. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to upload regular videos again for the time being, but I thought I would get in with this one just to sort of keep my hand in, because I do miss it. I do miss creating videos. It's just that it takes a long time to make the video, to edit the video, to upload the video and all of that, which I do enjoy doing, but I just needed a little break, and that's what I've had. So hopefully I'm back and the cat's on the mend, hopefully, so we'll just see where that goes. So I thought what I would do today was just a short and simple video, just showing you how to make your card backgrounds just a little bit more interesting. So I mean, I don't know what you think of that. I mean, that looks okay, doesn't it, as a card, but it's a bit boring. So I thought just a simple way just to make it a little bit more interesting. This is all of the supply. These are all of the supplies that I'm going to be using: an embossing folder, ink, brushes, glue. I think that's about it. Oh, and some foam tape, which I'll get out later. So the first thing I'm going to do, put the card base away for now. Just put it over there. Put these there as well. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, because I have two layers, I'm going to emboss the back layer. I'm just going to use a really nice embossing folder. So I'm just going to put that in there and run this through my Big Shot. Well, this has seen better days. This is my scrapbook.com magnetic mat. I didn't use it properly and I've gone and warped it, and it's a complete mess. So I'm waiting for another one of those coming, but I can still use it, but I'm not die cutting, so I'll just put that to one side. That's turned out nicely. It's a nice pattern, that. So this is just a generic embossing folder that I got from Temu, but the sandwich for the Big Shot fold away is the platform, the shim, then the folder, and then the cutting plate on the top there, just in case you're interested. I'm going to put that to one side now and bring in the top layer. This is the main one. So what I'm going to do is sort of simulate a background like grass in the sky, just a simulated background. But it should work, should get the idea. I'm just going to use my Distress Oxide. This one's crushed olive, and I'm going to use speckled egg. I haven't used this for a while. I've got loads and loads of these, and they're great for blending on. It's just from Stampin' Up, but you can use some more copy paper or whatever you have. So I'm just going to blend the bottom half with the green and the top half with the blue. Oh, I don't like that. That's more green, isn't it? I'm going to choose a different colour. This is the one I meant to get out. Salvage Patina. Never mind. It shouldn't look too bad by the time I'm finished, honestly. I've been away from video making for a week, and I'm come back and still made a stupid mistake. It doesn't have to be fancy or perfect, just a hint of grass and sky. I mean, that's not even proper green, is it? That looks totally different. But anyway, it's just making a hint of what an outside would look like with obviously the ground and the sky. But I've messed up the colours, but never mind. It's me. Right, so obviously this is going to go on there like that. You could put it up on foam if you wanted to. I'm just going to use this, my Kalal glue. Absolutely love it. I didn't use it through the winter because it is quite toxic. You do need a mask on and your windows open really if you're going to be using this, but the reason I like using it is because it does not warp your paper, your card. It's really, really good. So I tend to use this in the summer when I can have my windows open, even though it's a bit chilly today. Yeah, that glue really honks. I'm sure it can't be healthy, but I do love it. Oh, it's like my chocolate and crisps. So I'm going to have a simple sentiment, and I'm going to have a little mouse there. I'm going to have those on foam, I think. I haven't many of these left. I've only got the tiny ones, so... But they are going to be best for this. I mean, you could use a foam tape, I suppose, for that, but I'm just going to use these. Just to give you an idea. Sorry, I'm going to have to hold it up here while I try and get it right. It's not straight, but it'll do. Right, now all we need to do is add that to there. Again, you could add it using foam tape if you wanted, but I'm just going to use my trusty Collal glue again. I usually have links to my Collal glue because it's a frequently used item. I usually have it in my description at the bottom somewhere. It just really stinks. Right, so that has turned this into this. Nothing spectacular. Here's one I did earlier. Very, very similar. So just by adding an embossed background, a little bit of blending, you can just transform a fairly boring card into a not so boring card. Probably not the best card in the world, but if you want to knock up something quickly, you could do that because that doesn't take any time at all. I always have sentiments and die cuts already coloured, so all I can do, and I always have, if I have some spare scraps that are quite large, I'll cut them out and make panels with them. I'll cut them out panel size, or if I cut these out and just put them in a box next to me, so we've got like an instant card. Grab a panel, emboss it, cut out, you could even leave that as a normal rectangle shape if you wanted, but just basically embossing and colouring, and you get a fast card that you can just send off to whom you want. So not an exciting video, just a little way to make your cards a little bit more interesting. Obviously that one didn't go as well as I hoped because of the colours. On this I used my Stampin' Up! Inks because I do have some really nice greens and blues in there, but I'm not looking for anything perfect, just something a bit stylised, with a hint of a background. But I mean, this is my favourite. I don't know what you think. So easy to do, just to liven up your cards a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been informative. I hope it gives you some ideas anyway. If you have any more ideas of your own, doesn't even have to be based on this, you can post them on my website, you can post them in my Facebook group. And if you're so inclined, I do have an anonymous survey posted on my website just to get a little bit of insight into what people want, so I can adjust my videos to match in my website content. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you as always. Have a great day. Bye bye now.